Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for my second Halloween look. Okay, so I have done this half of my face, and so now I'm going to show you how I got this look right over here. Okay, so with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, once again, the Dark Magic, I am going to be taking the shade Potion, because of course, witch, potion, and I'm taking that with my all over side of my IT brushes for Ulta. Starting at my crease and my inner corner, sorry. So once you get that, the same all over side, I'm just going to wipe it off a little bit, just on a paper towel. And I'm going to be taking the shade Inside Job. So next, with the crease side of my IT brushes, I'm taking the shade Trickery. When I saw this palette and I saw these green shades, I knew I wanted to do a witch look for Halloween. So this is what I came up with. Okay, so now I'm drawing a web at the end of my eye. I know that I drew webs in my last video with my haunted Halloween look, but this time instead of 4 lines, I'm just doing 3 and 1 single spider. Okay, so next I'm connecting this top line. Can you guys see that? This top line, I'm going to connect it all across my lash line. You want to make sure that the lines going across are really curved, so I'm going to do those over. Okay, so now I completed my web, and I am going to underline my lower lash line with the shade Trickery. And I'm just applying that here. just on the outer corner. Okay, so next I'm drawing my single spider. I had to keep going over the web. You have to be careful when you're using a makeup wipe, because as I was not, I had some of the oils from the wipe and I kept smudging off that web. So I kept touching it up. This is how it looks now. So I'm going to draw my single spider here. Okay, so I've already applied my mascara and my lashes using my Kiss lashes. These are spicy. Here's the container. I applied them off camera to save some time. And I am going to be doing my usual, connecting my lashes to my inner corner. So first I'm applying my Ulta bronzer. This is a matte bronzer and the shade is Cool. I have already applied this to the other half of my face. And I'm going to be applying it on my nose as well. So next from this Heart Me palette, the Makeover Essentials, taking this purpley shade. But I'm moving on now. Well, first I'm going to highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour. I'm going to take this shade Banana with my Morphe sponge. This is a mini sponge, so it's really easy to reach in this inner corner. And I'm just patting that in. Just really helps to highlight. So next up, moving on to my lips. First, priming them with my Bite Lip Primer. And using my Wet n Wild lip pencil, this is a gel lip liner in the shade Don't Be a Prune. So this is my L'Oreal Paris, my L'Oreal Paris in the shade Magic. It's a beautiful purple shade. See? Fell in love with it when I saw it at the store. And it smells really good. And weird, sometimes I smell my makeup. This one has a pleasant smell to it. So next with my highlight, using my MAC Whisper of Guilt. And next taking this brush for Ulta with the smudger side because it's so small, picking up that same highlight right on my Cupid's bow. And lastly, setting that all in with my NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish, the long-lasting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial of my Witch of Glam. Don't forget to give it a like and click that subscribe button so that you can watch all my upcoming videos. I'm really enjoying the purple. Thank you all for watching.